I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam from your PC. First, you will need to open up a browser and then navigate to DroidCam, or search for DroidCam and click on the first link. It should open up a droidcam.app website. Now scroll down and click on install the DroidCam client on your computer. And then choose your operating system, for example, Windows in this case. And then click on download DroidCam client setup. Now, once this is downloading, you want to go to your mobile device and then open up the Google Play Store. You can also use Apple. It's supported on both iOS and Android. And then search for DroidCam and click on this first app, download it and install it. Now you just open up the app like this and grant it the required permissions when it prompts you to do that. And then it will basically show an IP and a port that you can use to connect to. Now, once you continue to install the Droid client on your PC, once it's done, you want to open up the DroidCam client that you just installed. Once the client is open, right-click under Sources and then click on Add and then click on DroidCam and just wait for it to detect devices automatically. So for example, here it detected my phone. You can just select the device and then click on Add Selected Device button at the bottom. And just wait for a little bit to load and connect to your cam, and your cam should start working on your PC. Now, if it's not working, you can double click on the source again and make sure to press the activate button right here and wait for a little bit to detect and launch the camera. And as you can see, it's working right here. Now you can change the resolution if you want to, and you can change the video format, but I'm going to keep it at H.264. Now if you click on OK, you should be able to see your camera right here. Now keep in mind that because my phone is connected with USB, it locally detected the cam using a localhost IP. Now in other cases of remote connection, you want to deactivate this and use the IP given to you inside the application, which is this one you see on the screen. Now I'm going to type it in the box right here, 170, and then click on activate to connect to the camera. And also make sure under device here, select use Wi-Fi IP instead of the local USB cable or ADB. And then just press activate and wait for it to activate your webcam. And it should start working. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.